Lauren, you gotta find them. Look, the Easter Bunny left you eggs. You gotta find them. There's so many. Put them in your basket. Yeah. Yep, that's an animal egg.
And then there's rabbit.
There's more. Was there more? Keep looking. I think he's run right by that one a few times. Did you find more?
Oh, Mickey.
A pig egg?
Oh, one. In the door. In the door. Uh-oh. Oh, no. An egg gun.
There's none over there. The backyard was locked. The Easter Bunny couldn't get back there. Okay, keep looking. Come on.
Where are they? Oh.
Nope. There's probably about 3 or 4 of them that are probably going to be fun.
No. They ate.
Right. That's not even half of them. We're going to need a bigger basket.
But one egg. No.
Is there one down there?
Yeah.
Don't jump. Oh. I'm waiting for that basket to go flying everywhere. That is a blue egg.
It's not this. Not this.
Was there more down there?
Nope.
Nope. Okay.
The blue one. Oh, and blue egg. Oh no. There's blue egg there. Don't know. One egg too.